YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Small Feet Big Heat. I know it's been a week since I came to this channel and put up a video, but after filming a video every day of August, I figured it would be best if I just took a break and then came back full of energy, ready to give you guys new content, and that's exactly what I'm here to do today. If you didn't see any of the August videos that I put up last month, I will link the Veda video every day in August playlist right up above here somewhere. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am going to be coming at you guys multiple times a week with brand new content. I've ordered a lot of stuff online. I've been shopping a lot recently, so it'll be a lot of unboxings for the next couple of weeks, as well as some upcoming release videos and whatever other type of streetwear or footwear content I decide to put up. But now that that is out of the way, I'm gonna get into what you guys clicked on this video for, which is my UNC Air Jordan 1 unboxing. This has been sitting in my house for a couple of days now. I did get lucky on Foot Locker after taking an L on the sneakers app. I ended up hitting on Foot Locker, and the shipping actually took quite long. Took about a week to get here. I was pretty surprised. From what I remembered, Foot Locker used to ship a lot faster, but I guess not, or maybe just due to high demand. But here, I'll turn this around so that we can open it up together. And as you can see, that Nike Air Jordan 1 box, classic black and red box. As you guys can see, this is a USA size 6, and the pair does have the QR code, so Nike is standardizing that QR code. It's been on quite a few of the last pairs I picked up. Alright, so let's open this up. I'm sure at this point you guys have already seen these on multiple other channels, but I still wanted to come on here and give my 2 cents. And there you have it, the Air Jordan 1 UNC or Obsidian, whatever you want to call these. And then you got your Carolina blue laces right there. And these are fresh. No one has tried these on. No one has laced them up, as you can see. So off rip, I do like the colorway a lot better in person. I will say that this is not a shoe that I thought was very exciting when I first saw it pop up and I saw the release photos. I was just like, it's a blue Air Jordan 1. But the more I thought about it, the more I was like, I don't have any blue Air Jordan 1s. I have the Carolina blue. I do have the Carolina blue or UNC guys, these right here. But as far as darker blue, I don't have any pairs that are this color, and the more I looked at it, the more excited I got. I do like the sail instead of going with a bright white that they did. This is a sail color. The light is kind of blasting in the back. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I will try to throw in some B-roll if possible. So it is a sail color, and then the midsole is white. What I also want to start doing in these unboxing videos is talking about how easy or how hard it was to cop. I'm just going to be doing a quick rating 1 to 10 just because I feel like that's important, especially with the shoes coming out now. On that scale, I'm going to be giving it a 3. It was fairly easy to cop. I didn't hit on any raffles. I didn't use any add to cart services. I didn't ask for any of my friends to enter any raffles or anything like that. I did take the L on the sneakers app, and it was a queuing system, the sneakers drop. But I was able to jump on Foot Locker, and they had pairs. I saw several people leaving Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, getting several pairs. So I don't think that this shoe was that hard to cop. If you wanted it, you could have got it as long as you didn't sleep. And I did put out a release reminder, so hopefully I helped a couple of you cop. Let's get into materials. This leather here on the toe box is tumbled, and while it does feel soft, I won't really say that it feels any better than typical Air Jordan 1 quality. I know some of the men that I saw pick up this pair were ranting and raving about the quality. Maybe that is just a men's pair thing where they use maybe a little bit of a nicer tumbled leather. But as far as this size, this GS size 6, It's typical Air Jordan 1 quality. It is like a softer leather, but it's nothing that is impressive by any means. For lace options, you do get one Obsidian pair, which is the pair that is currently in the shoe. And they also throw in some Carolina blue laces. I think I'll be throwing in the Carolina blue laces just to give it that extra pop. I think that it will look best like that. But by all means, wear them how you want. And for the on foot and review video that I'll be giving you guys, I will put one Obsidian lace into one shoe and one Carolina blue into one shoe, just to show you guys the options that you do have. Overall, I am happy with the shoe. I'm happy to finally have some type of darker blue Air Jordan 1. Something I didn't know I needed until they gave it to us. And that is about it for this video, guys. Just a quick unboxing coming to you guys to give you a little look at the UNC Air Jordan 1 highs before I put out my full review and on foot. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss that video when I do upload it, and make sure you smash the like button on this video. If you cop these, if you passed on them, let me know down below in the comments. I'll definitely be coming to you guys with another upload this week, so see you guys in the next video.